So many guys worry about the size of their, you know what. But for what? It isn't nearly as important as most guys think it is. In today's video, I'm going to show you the 3 reasons why, along with some factual evidence, I request you watch this video to the very end so you can stop believing the myth that bigger is better. And by the end of this video, you'll know how pointless it is to worry about your size and what you should really think about instead if you want to be a mind-blowing lover to the women that you sleep with. So let's get into it. I'm Marni, and from here on out, I'm going to be your very own personal wing girl, and every week I will give you the no BS insider info about what women really want versus what they say they want, plus the most effective methods to win over any girl you like. So hit that subscribe button now so you never miss a video again. All right, before I dive into today's video, I wanted to bring up a semi-sticky topic with you. So for a lot of guys, there are legit physical things that can get in the way of becoming mind-blowing lovers. And again, I'm not referring to your penis size. Did you know that 52% of men will experience ED? So let that sink in for a moment. More men experience ED than do not experience it. But even though it's so common, many men are ashamed of having ED, and I get it. But as a woman, I want to tell you that it's nothing to be embarrassed about. It's so common. It only becomes embarrassing when you do nothing about it and let it overrule you and kill your confidence with women, which is why I want to tell you about today's video sponsor, Roman. I'm sure you've heard of Roman before. Roman provides effective FDA-approved treatments for ED, and Roman can connect you directly with a licensed U.S. healthcare professional for a free telehealth consultation from the privacy of your own home, which is very, very nice. Because I'm obviously not a doctor and I can't do this for you, but if appropriate, the provider will find the treatment that is right for you and prescribe effective medication. The whole process is honestly super simple, so if you think this is something that will help you, you can head over to getroman.com/Marni to complete your free consultation and find out if this is right for you, the right treatment for you, for your ED. Oh, and by using my link, you're also gonna get $15 off your first month of ED treatment. ED treatment, amazing, right? Okay, again, that's getroman.com/Marni. All right, back to your penis size and why it doesn't matter. And let's get started. So here is why size does not matter to women. Reason number 1, the ineffectiveness of penetration. So many guys have a big misconception about intercourse. They think that plowing a woman hard and going as deep as possible is the way to satisfy them. And that's how a woman will reach orgasm. But in reality, that is not the case at all. Scientific studies clearly show that over 75% of all women do not reach orgasm from penetration, regardless of the penis size. That means whether you have a big one or a smaller one, it's not going to be a huge difference maker. Most women orgasm from clitoral stimulation, which the penis has hardly anything to do. And that means if you really want to be a rock star in the bedroom, instead of worrying about your size and how deep and long you can go, you should be thinking about other methods of pleasing your woman. Kissing and foreplay, oral sex, fingering, etc., all of it, because that's where the real results come from. And those are the real skills you need to be an unforgettable lover. All right, reason number 2, the vaginal structure. As I said before, most women orgasm through clitoral stimulation. But let's talk about vaginal stimulation for a second. How does that really happen? And when can it lead a girl to a mind-blowing orgasm? Well, the answer is very simple. For women who are capable of climaxing from vaginal penetration, it mainly comes down to the stimulation of the G-spot, which you've heard about before. The G-spot is an area inside the vagina, which is connected to the clitoral network. And you can think of it as the backside of the clitoris. And the best part about it is it's located about an inch or so inside the vaginal opening on the upper vaginal wall. Yes, just about an inch or so inside the vagina. What's more, it turns out that apart from the G-spot, the other erectile tissue, nerve endings, and things that feel oh so good to be stimulated inside the vagina are all within 2 inches of the vaginal opening. And that means in order to stimulate the G-spot and most of the other feel-good tissues in a woman's vajayjay, you do not need a monster shaft. Given that the average size of a penis is about 5.1 inches, any average guy is physically capable of stimulating a woman's vagina perfectly well. In fact, even if you're shorter than average, chances are you can still satisfy a woman pretty well. Moving on to the last one. Reason number 3, the porn myth. Adult videos are the main source for spreading the myth about size. Most men who watch adult content see that male actors tend to be very well endowed, and they also see how the female actors react to these guys during penetrative action. The over-the-top moaning and the quick and easy orgasms, the dirty talk, all of it gives the impression that women love a man with a huge penis. But here's the deal. These are paid actors, and they are paid to portray a fantasy, not reality. And that's why believing what you see in porn, it just doesn't make sense. In real life, we women do not want an elephant trunk in the bed. Trust me, I do not want that. In fact, believe it or not, most women would find that very intimidating, including myself. Moreover, a large penis can hurt a woman and cause severe injuries. There have been many cases which prove this to be true. Now you might say, okay, Marni, most women don't want a big one, I get it. But what if I meet someone who does? What if I meet a woman who does prefer it on the larger side? Well, even then, you'll really have no reason to be worried because the facts I just gave you about the female orgasm and vaginal structure should tell you that. No matter which type of woman you're with, you're physically capable of giving her great orgasm, and there's nothing holding you back. If you know what you're doing, you can rock her world even if you're not her preferred size. And guess what? Once she sees what you can do to her in the bedroom, you will become her new preference. And if you have really good technique, you will become the benchmark of sexual excellence. In summary, your size cannot hurt your ability to satisfy a woman, and that will forever be a fact. However, there's one thing that can massively hurt your chances of satisfying a woman, something which most dating gurus, especially the male dating gurus, never talk about, and that's your ability to emotionally connect with a woman. You see, sex isn't just a physical act for us women. It's an emotional one, and we enjoy it most when you're doing it with someone that you feel connected to. Just raw attraction might get a woman to give you her number or go out with you or even have sex with you for one time. But if you want to have a sexual relationship with her, you'll have to connect with her on a deeper level. And in my program called Beyond Attraction, I reveal exactly what you need to say to a woman to create this strong emotional bond. I reveal the secret communication hacks that can help you get any woman addicted to you and also guarantee that she stays madly in love with you at every stage of the relationship. So just click the link in the description below if you want to find out more about Beyond Attraction. Trust me, you've never seen anything like this before. Most dating coaches show you how to create a momentary attraction, which can fade away very easily. And that's why so many guys get flicked on or ignored or even cheated on. But as the name suggests, this program goes a step beyond attraction and shows you how to create a lasting connection, which is full of passion, excitement, and of course, amazing sex. So click the link in the description below to have a look at this one-of-a-kind program. I guarantee you are going to love it. But anyways, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. Thank you very much for watching it till the very end. And as always, I will see you next week with another amazing video.